Raph, what are you doing? You should be studying for the calc final.
I am studying. What do you think I'm doing?
You're playing a video game.
Yes, but it's a mathematical game.
Really?
Yeah, it's a game where you have to determine limits graphically. You want to help?
Sure.
Here.
Wow, this is so cool.
Well, yeah, it's a game from Japan, and they always have the coolest games. Wait, you might want to watch out for that.
Oh my god, what just happened?
Well, you're in the grass, and you ran into a monster.
Well, I'm going to kill it.
Wait, don't.
No? How come nothing happened?
You can't just attack it. You see the graph on his chest?
Yeah?
You need to find a limit using the graph on his chest to beat him.
How do you find a limit?
If a function becomes close to a unique number, also known as L, as x approaches some value from either side, we'll call that number c, we say that the limit of the function as x approaches c is L.
The limit is 3.
Oh my gosh, I won!
Good for you. One thing to know, the limit has nothing to do with the value of the function at c. In other words, finding the limit and the value of the function are two different questions.
Oh wait, now I'm stuck at this bridge.
Stop! No one shall cross this bridge.
I need to cross the bridge in order to get to the mathematician.
If you want to cross my bridge, you must complete my Papa Quiz.
Well, what do I do here?
Well, looking at the graphs, I think you need to determine why the graph does not have a limit.
That's possible?
Yeah, look at the first graph over there. The limit coming from the left doesn't equal the limit coming from the right, so it's undefined.
Okay. Wait, there's another graph?
Yeah, this enemy is harder. He's gonna have more graphs than the usual enemies. It's his turn now.
Oh, this graph is easy. It's undefined because the function is not approaching a real number as x approaches 0.
Good job, you're becoming good at this.
Darn it! This graph doesn't make sense. It looks like there's a limit somewhere.
Yeah, that's a tricky graph. It's undefined because it's oscillating infinitely. Even with a calculator, you won't be able to find the limit.
It's over 9,000!
Wow, this game's actually fun, and I learned something.
Really? Like what?
If a function becomes close to a unique number, L, as x approaches some value c from either side, then we say that the limit of the function as x approaches c is L. Also, we learned that the limit has nothing to do with the value of f of x at c. A graph has no limit if the left-hand limit does not equal the right-hand limit, and when the function increases without bound, and lastly, if the graph oscillates between two fixed values.
So, you ready for the calc final?
Yeah, for sure.